Nowadays TV has become an essential part of life. A medium to spread news and awareness, and for some people, it acts like a companion. What is your opinion about this?
Technology gave us an abundance of devices to utilize. TV is one of them. In my opinion, among its several benefits, news and awareness is of paramount significance as compared to entertaining screenplays. TV really acts like a companion if we use it appropriately to a satisfactory extent. Television provides us a sophisticated knowledge regarding a variety of topics in a detailed and focused way. Several lectures of experts and interviews of accomplished persons stimulate the youngsters in a positive way and catalyze the surge of learning something new. But this can only be possible if the channels are selected carefully, such as BBC, Nat Geo, and Discovery. Most of the channels are producing misleading shows in a race of profit which affects adolescents in a negative way. These should be neglected. TV is very beneficial for older people who live alone. In my practice as a nurse, TV is used as a diversional therapy to ease anguish, as well as it is a very efficient method to fight with anxiety and depression. This is even useful for those older people who don't have access to internet or can't operate technical devices to surf internet. They can listen to news and other information through TV. In short, TV can be used in numerous effective ways for educational purposes and to create attentiveness among people related to current issues. Misguiding shows should be censored by the government to make it more relevant.